Hello friends, now we have another topic of consumer awareness means the slogan remember here Jago Grahak Jago. Every customer must aware is the meaning of this slogan. See, in the present day, customer is considered to be a king of the market. So if a customer has to keep his place. If the customer has to keep his place, he has to be alert in the market, illiterate, unaware, unknowledgeable customer is considered to be irregular person in the market. So every customer has to be alert to make his place as he want to be a king of the market. In market we see sometime middlemen, and these middlemen are disturbing place of the consumer by exploiting him. That is the main problem. So the system in which consumer protection, the system which is called consumer protection is developed, in which the consumer buys, pays money, receive good quality, proper weight, and the product at the reasonable price he is getting. That is the main thing every customer has to understand. So the customer is not just a instrument, but he is an aware person of the market. If he wants to be a best person, consumer awareness is a moment of consumer protection. I repeat, consumer awareness is the moment of consumer protection. Well organized program for the consumer protection has been set up in India for awareness of consumer. So to make the consumer mature, literate, and capable about their exploitation, to understand how it is happening. One person whose name is Ralph Nader, that I want to indicate here. He was coming from the America. He brought this consumer awareness by developing rights of consumer. He is called as the pioneer of consumer protection movement. I repeat, he is considered as pioneer of consumer protection movement. Remember, the basic motto of this movement is satisfaction of consumer and make the consumer king in the market. Producers, entrepreneurs, both are sometime creating their control, and consumers are exploited. So to stop all these things, these systems have been developed as the movement. So generally the advertisement is being spread on the media, social media, television, radio, newspaper, about awareness for the consumer protection. Hoardings are also developed, banners are also established. So the consumer finds any problem, he must approach to the proper person and can get better support, better guidance, and he could stop from being exploited. Right, my friends? So remember that nobody could exploit the consumer is the base of consumer protection movement. remember. Okay, it is also called consumer awareness. So now we have to understand first the importance of consumer awareness in consumer protection. The consumer awareness in consumer protection mainly to develop some awareness in mind of people. But the point we want to understand that at the international level, which steps have been taken, and in India, by which time this awareness have been started to brought. Here I want to indicate the name of Arthashastra, the book written by Kautilya. It describes support to the consumer to protect them from being misbehaved through traders. So it is possible that in present day the Kautilya's Arthashastra may not be in our hands, but we can take some steps. He had already mentioned some steps for punishment for under measurement of goods and adulteration or duplication of product. If anybody has done, he had made thought in those days, maybe 2300 years ago, I want to say. But in modern period, the same effort was done by American President John Franklin Kennedy by presenting 4 rights of consumers on March 15, 1962 in Parliament of America. He expressed his soreness on thought of if any consumer's opinion is not heard properly. So he was deeply disagreed with the attitude and he declared 4 rights for the consumer. So the importance of this awareness has been brought. First we have spoken the name of Ralph Nader. Here the second I have spoken about Kautilya's Arthashastra in the early ancient period in India. Then the third here I have spoken about Franklin J.F. Kennedy, John Franklin Kennedy. Now I am moving to the next point, that international organization Consumers International, this is the name of the international institution, they have published notification to show rights of consumers on March 15, 1983. Remember, again I repeat the date, 15th March 1953. It is considered and observed in world as a World Consumer Day. Afterwards, in its meeting on 16th April 1985, United Nations had declared 8 basic consumer rights in its bill named as United Nations Guidelines for Consumer Protection. I repeat, which bill declared United Nations? United Nations Guidelines for Consumer Protection was declared by United Nations. According to this, every nation of the world has set up their legal structure for rights and favorable situation for the consumer. So the interest and the rights must be protected for consumers is required. Indian Parliament had established one law named as Indian Consumer Protection Act, declared in 1986. 24th December 1986, it was signed by our president, and in India for always. Thereafter 86, 24th December is declared as National Consumer Rights Day. So in world, Consumer Day is 15th March, and in India, National Consumer Rights Day is 24th December. These two dates we have to remember. In Gujarat, there is Gujarat Consumer Protection Act has been made on 18th February 1988, and legal actions for consumer protection have been undertaken about it. Thereafter 1993 and 2002 are important amendment implemented in two different years. I am repeating again. In 1993 and 2002, important amendments have been implemented in Consumer Protection Act. So, people may have a wish to bring a change in age-old act as per requirement of time. So now we can gather information and important provisions made by the law, right? So this is understanding and explanation about consumer awareness, right my friends? Okay.